I am aware that all over nation, many pediatricians are waiting for viewing this match. Best wishes to all the teams. Keep your mind cool. And I hand over mic to our president, Dr. Jayant Pandekar. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Rajesh. Whoop. Very good afternoon, one and all. The chief guest of today's third match, up to the third premier round, third knockout round, Dr. Neeman Mohanty sir. Then guest of honor, our beloved Vice President of West Zone, Dr. Shekhar Dabhadkar sir. Then by Executive Board Member, Dr. Paramananda Andankar, who are guest of honor today. And the Raigad IP President, Dr. Heman Bhai, Secretary, Dr. Pramod sir, and all the participants of this today's match. First of all, I welcome you all on this the third match of a knockout round or preliminary rounds. Of course, the winner of this match will go to the final round, and from there we are going to have a winner and runner. They will be going to the West Zone Pedivic round. So once again, I wish you all the best, and of course, you should keep your head cool and just enjoy the fun. Rather than science, just enjoy the fun and science together, I would say. And with this, I conclude my words. And of course, thanks to organizers and Dr. Jay Bhandarkar, our quiz master, Dr. Heman Gangolia, Dr. Abasai Patankar, and all. Once again, thank you very much and best wishes to all the teams. Over to Dr. Heman Bhai.
Thank you, Dr. Jain sir, for those nice words and welcome speech. Now we are having 4 teams in this today's match. They are the Chandrapur, Beed, Parbhani, and Hingoli. So we have prepared the question sets as per our teams, which we have decided 4 cricket teams, what the names we have given, but we don't know which set will be going to which IIP branch. So to maintain the transparency as well as we should be unbiased. So we are having chief guest here, Dr. Neeman Mohanty sir, who is Professor Emeritus at MGM Medical College, Navi Mumbai, and so I welcome Dr. Neeman Mohanty sir. Sir, you have to do the honor of putting the lots and declaring the first name for the IIP branch for the team which we have named. So our first quiz set is, the team's name is Saurav's Knight Riders. So for this Saurav's Knight Rider team, we want which IIP branch will be given that name. So Dr. Mohanty sir, please put the lots and let us know which is the first lot which is coming out. Yes, Mohanty sir.
If you want to, Dr. Heman.
Yes, if you want to say a few words, say a few words. And
no, I don't want to spoil time. Thank you for inviting me. Rather, I am one of you, so I cannot be a chief guest. Please remove that designation. Now, here is the lot mixed together properly. Yeah.
Yes.
The first lot is, this is Beed.
Beed. So Beed are the Saurav's Knight Riders. Dr. Mohanty sir, please declare. Beed is Saurav's Knight Riders.
Saurav Knight Riders will be from Beed. Saurav Knight Riders.
Okay. So now second the name team which we are given is the Vivian Richards Avengers. So who will be the Vivian Richards Avengers? Dr. Mohanty sir, please let us know.
The lucky team is Chandrapur, led by Preeti Chavan.
So Chandrapur are the Vivian Richards Avengers. The third, the name what we are given is the K. Shrikant Swingers. So sir, we would like to know who is this K. Shrikant Swingers from your side.
The lucky team is Hingoli.
So Hingoli are the K. Shrikant Swingers. And the last, the remaining is that is Anil Kumble's Gladiators. So obviously that becomes Parbhani.
Yeah, Parbhani.
So with that, we have the names of the team. Dr. Mohanty sir, very 1 or 2 line from you, sir. 1 or 2 line from you, sir.
Yeah, the thing is, it's a question of which side of the table you are. Even if I am the other side of the table, my palpitation will also come. But we are so lucky that during the COVID days, we are able to meet more number of participants, more people to enjoy. in our sweet corners of our own home, in own comforts. This trend is going to continue without inviting so much of industries, all conflict of interest. We are all away from it. We're above board, and the right way to go. And this will now the way of life. This new way of life for pediatrician. Very lucky, and the Raigad IIP taking the lead. Congratulations, IIP Raigad. Keep it up.
Thank you very much, sir, for those nice words. We have another guest of honor, Dr. Paran from Thane, and he's our EBCIP member. I will request, sir, please, your blessings. We seek your blessings, sir.
Unmute kara.
Sir, unmute kara. Sir, please. Dr. Parman, sir.
Thanks, Ganguly, sir. It's a very unique way of having and organize this IIP quiz. It's a wonderful way of connecting our all IIP colleagues which are facing the pandemic. And I see the team from Chandrapur where I belong to. So, and I am seeing I'm seeing the three teams from like in the Marathwada where I learned my MBBS. So it is nice to watch all the teams and seeing like the Mardikar, all the members, most of the team which I know. So my wishes to all the participants, and as Dr. Pandrikar sir said, to enjoy the quiz, enjoy the science, and go ahead. This is the new way to go ahead. My best wishes to all the team. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your blessings, for those nice words. And another guest of honor is Dr. Shekhar Dawara, who is the Vice President. Sir, 2 minutes. एक line बोला, एक दो line बोला.
Yes, sir. Dr. Pandrikar and everybody. So many acquainted faces from all over Maharashtra. It's really, I cannot, it is tempting for me to talk a lot, but I will not talk. Remember, friends, that my branch, IIP Raigad branch, has taken a lot of efforts for this. Please enjoy this. This is not competition. This life is for enjoyment. This is not competition. As Dr. Pandrikar said, journey is important and not destination. I wish you best luck. I wish organizers, scorers, and everybody, I wish you best luck. Bye-bye. All the best.
Thank you, sir. With that, I will just share the screen and we'll just go to the PowerPoint presentation. So this was a video which we have already seen. So we have welcome all the 4 teams. Once again, Sauros Knight Riders is the team IIP Beat branch. Vivian Richards Avengers are the IIP Chandrapur branch. K. Shrikant Stringers are the Hingoli IIP branch, as well as Parbhani is the Anil Kumble's Gladiators. With that,
Mute yourself, sir. Mute yourself. Izhar bhai. Mute karo.
you are able to see the screen?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes. Because something is there. Yes. So we welcome to Pediatric Premier League. And this is our 3rd knockout quiz for practicing pediatrician. Best of luck to everyone. The quiz masters already is there. I will not waste time in that. Backup by myself. Scorer we have both madams are there. Technical experts Dr. Vishal Rao and Dr. Prabhat Vankade sir are there. And these are the experts whom we invited the questions. So Dr. Nimen Mohanty sir, Dr. Mahesh Mohite sir, Dr. Virmole sir, Dr. Pankaj Deshpande, Dr. Mahesh Sambare sir, Dr. Bhushan Chavan, Dr. Omkar Khankar, Dr. Omkar Jamadar. Their specialty is written there. I will not waste time in reading that. Everybody know them. So this is the Dr. Chintan Doshi, Dr. Archana Kadam, Dr. Sandeep Kadam, Dr. Nilima Bhandarkar, Dr. Deepak Kulkarni happened to be dermatologist, Dr. Sagar Warankar, Dr. Shaila Patkar, who is a very senior pediatrician, as well as our IIP colleague, Dr. Abha Sai Patkar. What we did, we invited questions from everyone, and then we researched and framed the questions from the quiz. So today's participants are Chandrapur, Beed, Parbhani, and Hingoli. And all this competition, when the winner of this today's will be going to the final of the 2nd September, and the winners and runners of that final will be going to the West Zone Digital Paddy Week, which is the Paschim Rang. The chairman is of our Vice President, beloved Dr. Chandrasekhar Dabadkar. So this will be during the 15th to 20th September. The team leader, what we have, IIP Chandrapur branch, team leader is Dr. Preeti Chauhan, supported by team members Dr. Rafiq, Dr. Abhilasha, Dr. Venkatesh. Then the IIP Bid branch is led by team leader Dr. Anurag Pangrikar, and his team members are Dr. Ijahar, Dr. Sandeep, Dr. Subhash. And the IIP Parbhani branch, the team leader is Dr. Sapnil Khalikar, the represented by his team member Dr. Meman, Dr. Gajanan, Dr. Ravindra. And the last branch, which is IIP Hingoli branch, the team leader is Dr. Snehal Nagaresar, supported by Dr. Venkatesh, Dr. Nitish, and Dr. Swapnil. So these are the team, and already Dr. Neeman Monti sir has done the honor of naming that team. So Saurav's Knight Riders are IIP Bid. Please remember the sequence of muting, unmuting, video off, video on as per the sequence. Saurav's Knight Riders will be first to come. Bid, they are Vivian Richard Avengers are the IIP Chandrapur branch. Then the third team will be K. Shrikant Swingers, which will be IIP Hingoli branch. And the last to come will be the Anil Kumble's Gladiators, and there's the IIP Parbhani branch. Please remember the year sequence, and with that, we go to the rules for the quiz. I invite our quiz master, today's quiz master will be Dr. Jay Bhandarkar sir, as well as Dr. Jayant Pandrikar sir. Dr. Jay, please go for the rules for the quiz.
Okay, yes, welcome everybody, and thanks for the extremely good response and enthusiastic response for this quiz. And yes, it is a competition, but it's an academic competition. And I thank all of you again, and all Central IIP, Maha IIP, Raigad IIP, and my all viewers who are watching this show and helping us, and all family members also, they have helped us to form this quiz show. So friends, there will be rules for each and everything. And so the 4 teams are 4 members each, 2 innings each team, followed by super over. Each inning will consist of 4 questions, direct question. That question will not be passed to other team, where you will get 10 runs for the good right answer. There will be timing will be depend on the what question it is, requisites of that question that will declare before that. And the first answer addressed to the quiz master within the stipulated time will be registered. Again, I already said yesterday test run, you should discuss yourself and address to me to the that answer will be taken. Please say that. Already another important instruction: don't start speaking unless time clock starts. Please don't start speaking unless time clock starts. Yesterday decade test run, what will happen? You will start talking that I am just reading the question. Other people will not be able to hear that. Please remember this, and again we'll warn in between. Otherwise, the thing may be the question will debate, we may not given the mark for that, right? And there is another thing is after two innings, there will be super over. There will be 60 seconds. Will the fire question at a stretch to that you and 10 runs you can score. And at that time of rapid fire, again I will explain how to go about that and how the winner will be decided. The total score: inning one score, inning 2 score, and super over. Total run scores in all these they will be taken in account to declare the winner. And in case of this tie after all up to super over ke baad mein, then we can go for a tie questions. And most important thing, quiz master decision is final and binding. No discussion from participant, office bearers, anybody on the Zoom platform will question during show, right? You can contact me later, because the things I have done lot of study, research, and see that कि that digital platform है, तो अच्छी तरह से ये होना चाहिए. Other thing, suppose there is a monsoon and suppose ऐसे होता है कि ये knockout match है, कुछ ना कुछ result चाहिए. Suppose day wash out हो गया in any reason, technical other reason, you already know we used to have our own Zoom app and Zoom this link. We will take the second match for you also. So thank you very much for this, and again welcome. Best of luck. And I ask our Gangulia sir, he's going to be bowling machine for us. So bowling machine, आपको balls आएंगे question के जगह. So please welcome first team, this Saurav Knight Rider.
Jay, 1 minute. One more instruction to add. Please, while answering the question, you have to look at your web camera. No sideways looking and nothing doing. You should be looking at the camera and answering to the quiz master. 1. 2. No prompting, please. And out of sheer enthusiasm, if तुमचं कुणाचाही ते अनम्यूट असेल आणि आउट ऑफ एन्थुसियाझम अरे आपल्याला इथं लगेच आन्सर बोललं जातं, प्लीज डोंट डू दॅट. It will be overheard because our device detects very minute sound also. So please be careful. No prompting. Please careful. Only the videos, and they will be unmuting themselves. Who will be the coming for the facing the quiz. So with that, yes, Jay.
Yes. Other thing, don't keep any other mobiles, laptops extra for searching with you. Our vigilant team is there. Though it's like a PPL, we are functioning like a IPL. We have the vigilant team. 4 people are appointed. They are seeing speaker view करके आपके पे ध्यान है, पहले ही बता देता हूँ. There is no complaint. Suppose you want to do that, please do that. But it will be detected and your team will be removed from this quiz from that moment, right? We should be honest is the best policy. What you are doing, lot of efforts. So we expect a good dignity from you. And please remember, thousands of people are watching this quiz. We are doctors. So our behavior, other things, very important in this. I think we have wasted a lot of time. Please call Saurav.
कुणाला विचारतो जय, कुणाला विचारतो.
सर एक मिनिट.
हा बस.
समजा माझा नेट डाऊन झालं तर माझ्या नंतर इजार जावेद लीडर असतील. इजार जावेदचा प्रॉब्लेम आहे. सुभाष जोशी.
You are experienced. Don't worry about that. Don't worry.
Decide among
present here, I will take their action. That is on the spot. I will take the decision. Don't worry. Right? Please. Team is there.
Okay.
So the first team for this quiz master quiz is Saurav's Knight Rider. Please, IIP bid branch, be ready. The videos should be on. You should unmute yourself, but at the same time, rest of everybody should mute themselves and can they keep their video off also. Only the quiz masters,
only quiz master and participants,
as participants and
even
scorer.
Experts also. Please keep your video off so that we can watch very well to other. Sir,
so we welcome the first team.
1, 2, 3, 4. Can we hear the Jeffy's roar? 2, 4, 6, 8. Who do we appreciate? Jeffy.
So this is the inning 1. First 4 questions. Yes, Dr. Jay. Start.
Yeah. So friends, are you there? Everybody join.
Yes, sir.
Please acknowledge.
Yes.
Names, please.
Izar, Sandeep, Subhash Joshi sir, namaskar.
Who is the team leader? Who is the team leader?
Anurag.
Yes. Okay. So here is your so you are representing the Dada. This Saru College Dada is the captain of former captain of Indian cricket, and he was called the prince of the Indian cricket. Wisden cricketer of year, Padma Shri got. He was a very prolific of the left-handed batsman, and he was called a god of the offside. Very successful captain, excellent record. And what it changes the thinking. Might have remembered the match in England, right? He just taken off his shirt and waved that shirt in the air, and that gives the confidence to the team. Yes. Please don't speak in between.
2004.
कौन बोलता है मधे? Who is speaking? Who is speaking? Please speaking. कौन बोल रहा था?
Dr. Jay, continue.
Please don't speak in between. When quiz master is speaking, now no one is allowed other than participant, quiz master and scorer. Anybody, please. Thank you. So here's Ganguly, are you ready? So here's the first question for you from the Ganguly, the bowling machine of the Raigad IPL in this PPL. The length pass is the Australian bowler. He was called Kauti Breaker. Yoda fast bowler hota, right? So here's the first question for you on the screen for the ball. Yes, Ganguly ji, aane dijiye. After how many months of completing post-exposure prophylaxis, that is re-exposure prophylaxis recommended, category 3 bite? Your options are 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, 12 months. Your time starts now.
Anurag, 12 months.
12 months.
Sir.
Okay, I had 12 months.
Lock 12 months.
Sorry for that. Your answer are wrong. It is 3 months. Yes. Okay, you are running out the time. You are going for the next ball. Yes, Ganguly, are you ready?
Yes.
So here the next bowler is a Joel Garner. Huge bowler. He used to take 6 balls in your hand too. So West Indian bowler, very specific bowler and very fearful. So let us see what question ball he throws to you. Ganguly, please park up that next ball for this beautiful Saurav. This is a question for you. Treatment of choice in children with achalasia cardia is pharmacotherapy, Bogenage, pneumatic dilatation, modified Heller's operation. Your time starts now.
Option D, modified Heller's operation.
Modified Heller's operation.
Option D.
Okay, leader is speaking.
Yes, D.
Yes.
Okay, so your answer is right. Your score this time. Congratulations. Fantastic attempt, and I think this was the bowler was Joel Garner, and this was a surgical question, but you attempted very well. And please, we are going ahead the third question of this first inning to serve Knight Riders. Please, तीसरा ball आने दीजिए Brett Lee, the huge Australian smart bowler, right? And here's a ball from Brett Lee to you on the pitch. Ganguly ji, please answer. That is the 8-month-old cyanosis child, no signs of cardiac failure. What is the probable diagnosis? Options are tricuspid arteries with PS, truncus arteriosus, transmission of great arteries, or one or two, both. So your time starts now.
Is that
cardiac failure? PGA.
C?
Okay, so you have not heard your answer before the time clock starts. So sorry, you cannot get the marks for this. You are just remember this is very simple. No cyanosis with cyanosis, but no signs of cardiac failure. Usually in congenital heart cardiac failure, there is a lot of blood flow into the lungs, and here there is a one condition with pulmonary stenosis.
Yes.
How can be blood will there has the cardiac? So anemic lungs are there. So sorry for that. So it is not scored. Scorer, please note. So scorer, are you listening? Scorer, please answer. Scorer.
Yes, noted.
Yes, we are there.
Okay, you should answer. They are not answered this question. 0 mark, right? Okay. What is the score now?
10.
10.
Okay.
Just answered only one.
Okay, yeah. So you are going out the fourth ball. So this is the last ball of this your first inning. Are you ready, Saurabh Knight Riders?
Yes.
What are you feeling? Okay, great. So is the fourth ball from you. The bowler is Mohinder Amarnath. Very tricky bowler. Slowly पळत येत होते, कधी बॉल टाकायचे कळायचं नाही आणि बॉल आउट झाला. तुम्हाला माहिती आहे की ते मॅन ऑफ द मॅच होते 93 वर्ल्ड कपच्या सेमीफायनल फायनल मध्ये. ओके, सो हियर द बॉल फ्रॉम मोहिंदर अमार्नाथ टू द सौरव गांगुली. एंड प्लीज गांगुली जी आने दीजिए प्रश्न इनके लिए. द स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ केयर इन केस ऑफ मेडिकल नेग्लिजेंस इज measured against. Options: the most recent medical research evidence available. What is the expected of a reasonable doctor can do in that situation? What is the majority of doctors would recommend? And the standards of experts in the field. Your time starts now.
Option B.
B.
Option B.
Anurag. B.
Option B.
Team
B.
leader, हाथ ऊपर,
B.
हाथ वर करून बोला. Team leader
B.
का हाथ वर करा.
B.
Okay. Your answer is B, and you're perfectly right. Perfectly right. So congratulations for that. So you very well recognize Mohinder Amarnath's slow but googly ball, and this is very important because why you're asking, though the questions are simple, we want to give the take-home message to all our viewers and pay attention about this. It's not about the quiz. It's about the sharing the knowledge. And we have one of the legal experts. The questions are अगेन आप जो बॉल फेंक रहे हैं उन्होंने भी ये क्वेश्चन मैंने उनको बोला था कि आपसे चाहिए. सपोज एनी एम्बिग्यूटी इज देयर, ही विल आंसर. सो प्लीज म्यूट योरसेल्फ, ऑडियो ऑफ कर दीजिए. द नेक्स्ट टीम इज विवियन रिचर्ड्स एवेंजर्स चंद्रपुर. Please join.
Before that, the scores, please.
Score, madam. Batai, sorry.
Yeah. At the end of the inning, first, the Saurav Knight Riders have scored 20.
Yeah, they are played very well. So here is the team. Vivian Richards team, Avengers. Join sir. कौन join हो गया है? हाथ ऊपर कीजिए. मेरे से हाथ दिखाइए मुझे यहाँ पे. हाथ दिखाइए प्लीज. Okay, thank you very much. Sir, you are visiting a very prolific player in the case. Her full name is Sir Isaac Vivian Alexander Richards, West Indies cricketer, regarded as one of the greatest batsmen of the century, and he was a Wisden Hall of, he was in the ICC Hall of Fame, and chosen as one of the best of the cricket in 20th century. He lost only single test match as a captain, and most important thing, he played 17 years cricket without helmet, right? And most destructive batsman all his time, And another important thing about him, he was an international football player also. He played for Antigua, Bermuda, right? So we are representing one of the best cricketer ever the Test cricket had. And are you ready, sir? Everybody,
Yes.
the boys from
Sir.
Chandrapur. This is also my native place. हे वाघांनो, तुमच्याजवळ वाघ आहे, वाघ, राईट? तर तुम्हाला मोटिवेट करण्यासाठी वाघाचा मी चूज ठेवतो बॅकग्राऊंडला नंतर. पण ठीक आहे. So here is a question. थांब, तर त्यांच्यासाठी तुमच्यासाठी बॉलर जो आहे त्यांच्याच टीमचा आहे, मायकल होल्डिंग, व्हेरी ब्युटिफुल बॉलर. तर गंगोलियाजी, आपल्या भात्यावर एक बॉल काढा आणि ह्यांच्याकडे येऊ देत. आर यू रेडी, सर? Here is the first question for you. This hemoglobalization occurs in which stage of erythropoiesis? Early normoblast, intermediate normoblast, late normoblast phase, reticulocytes. Your time starts now.
Answer is B. B.
Team leader.
Answer is B. B.
Intermediate normoblast.
Team leader कोण आहे?
Sir, Dr.
Okay,
Mani.
आता हात करून मला सांगा. Your answer is perfectly right. You are scored 10 runs on the first round. Fantastic. Well played. So it was a simple question, but very important. Thank you very much. Remembering for the theory and knowledge. Again, gone back to first year this study. Okay. So here's the second ball from you, Vivian Richards. Are you ready to face? And now the bowler is very different, very tall and soft-spoken, but very beautiful bowler, very skillful. Venkatesh Prasad from the Indian. And I can tell many story about it. There is no time. You already lost a lot of time. So here going with the first ball from the Venkatesh Prasad to the Vivian Richards. Yes, here is the ball for you. So the commonest cause of congenital obstructive uropathy in children is uretropelvic junction obstruction, urethral walls, posterior urethral walls, obstructive megaureter, and bladder diverticulum. Your time starts now.
Answer is B. B. Posterior urethral wall.
हाथ कीजिए रफीक सर, हाथ कीजिए. मैंने बोला है हाथ कीजिए, ऐसा हाथ दिखिए, पूरा हाथ दिखाइए. Yes, your answer is totally right. You again scored 10 marks. Chandrapur team, they are fantastic. But please remember, जब मैच शुरू होता है तो बॉलर भी धीरे धीरे सेट होता है, बैट्समैन भी धीरे धीरे सेट होता है. केबी से आपने देखा है पहले क्वेश्चन 5,000 के इजी ही रहते हैं, बाद में लेकिन थोड़ा यॉर्कर शुरू हो जाते हैं. So here's the third question for you, and the bowler is very old. That Thirikut वाला सांगा मी. या बॉलरचं नाव सांगणार, बाकी दोघांचं तुम्हाला नाव सांगायचं. You have to tell the two best bowler with this. They were very famous, right? प्रसन्ना, त्यांचे दोन कोण होते, दोन कोण त्यांचे हे होते की ते व्हेरी फेमस होते. त्यांची जेव्हा यायची बॉलिंग,
सिंग बेदी.
Yes, but and other Chandrasekhar. Fantastic, sir. You have the good knowledge, right? So he's a ball from Prasanna. He's an off spinner, right? A very good player. So here's the question: ball from Prasanna. ये off cutter आने दीजिए गंगुलाई जी उनके लिए. So which is the uncommon feature of articular syndrome? First, lesions are transient, less than 24-36 hours. They last. Symmetric in distribution. Lesions are non-pruritic, not associated with angioedema. Your time starts now.
Answer is C.
रफीक जी, आप हाथ करना है तो आप देते हैं तो.
Answer is C.
I have not heard the answer, Mr. Rafiq.
C. I already said C. I already said C.
किसने सी बोला पहले मुझे बताइए, किसने
मैंने बोला था, मैंने बोला.
रफीक
उन्होंने बोला था.
रफीक
हाथ कीजिए, हाथ कीजिए, हाथ कीजिए. ओके,
रफीक ने
थैंक
बोला.
यू. सो योर आंसर, आपने क्या बोला सर?
C.
C for cat.
Cat.
Yes.
Unfortunately, your answer is wrong. Okay, please go ahead. पहले जाइए तो slide post करा. See that is an uncommon answer. They usually that articular the rash क्या uncommon actually वो रहता है ज़्यादा 24 से 36 hours से ज़्यादा रहता है. Okay, it's okay. Okay, it's going to be a googly question. So is the next question ball for you, the last of the first inning, right? Are you ready, sir? Are you ready? Are you ready? So your bowler is Saqlain Mushtaq. He's also again an off spinner, very prolific bowler, very skillful, and he helped Pakistan to win many test matches and one-day matches, right? So here's the ball from Saqlain Mushtaq to Vivian Richards. गंगुलाई जी आने दीजिए अपने मशीन में से बॉल ये. The medication error are the most frequent source of preventable medical errors in hospital. Which of the following are not preventable? Selecting a drug that a patient is allergic to without knowing of that allergy, selecting the wrong dose, selecting the wrong duration, overlooking the drug interaction. Your time starts now.
I think it should be A. Everybody agrees it's A. Say.
Okay, sir. I will take your this answer as answer A, and you are perfectly right. Again, I congratulate you. You played well. So perfectly right. The scoring is almost you 75%. You answered very good. Scorer, can you just give their score? Right.
Vivian Richards have scored a smashing 30 in their first innings.
Yes, fantastic, madam. Thank you, scorer, madam, very much. And I congratulate you. You played very well. Please mute yourself and audio off. And the next image, Srikanth Swingers. Right. So, friends, let us see what Srikanth does. He was a very good batsman, right? And he was an opener, and his pair was very, very, very famous with the Sunil Gavaskar. Music आने दीजिए ना सर, क्यों आप ठंडे क्यों हो गए? लगाएंगे, जान लगाएंगे, जलवा दिखा देंगे हम. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
मुझे हाथ दिखाना है. Audio. Yes, you are audible. Who is the team leader? Who is team leader?
Nehal.
हाँ?
नेहल
जी, प्रत्येक प्रश्न तुम्ही असा हात लावायचा आहे. आपलं सकाळी बोलणं झालेलं आहे, बरोबर आहे? असा हात दाखवा. हा, कोण तुम्हाला ऑब्जेक्शन घेणार नाहीये. कुठला पण हात दाखवा चालेल. Thank you very much. You are playing well, and I think everybody has understood the rules very well. Thank you very much for that. And Chris Srikanth was a former captain, as a selection committee, very destructive, own offbeat style खेलने का था उनका. एक बार वसीम अख्तर ने बोला इमरान खान को, अरे जब ये बैट्समैन करने आते हैं उनको कैसा बॉल डालना चाहिए? इमरान खान ने बोला बॉल डालते रहिए, अपने आप आउट हो जाएगा. So he was his answer. So he, and another thing, important thing, he was a member of 1983 Pudisham World Cup winner match का member था, and was the highest scorer on that time, and he was a very great player, and he was even Ben's mini World Cup he was also there, and he's a very great player, and I congratulations this team, you got the name. आपको श्रीकांत, क्रिस श्रीकांत जैसे खेलना है. उनका नाम था क्रिस श्रीकांत. So are you ready, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes.
तुमची टीम रेडी आहे?
Yes,
अगेन आय थँक यू व्हेरी मच. मी तुम्हाला मनापासून आभार मानतो की तुम्ही या पीपीएल मध्ये आलात, कारण येणं सगळ्या लोकांसमोर आणि क्विज फेस करणं या एज मध्ये, दॅट मे बी प्रॅक्टिकल, सम क्वेश्चन्स मे बी यॉर्कर. आय ऍडमायर ऑल ऑफ यू विनर. रिझल्ट काही पण असू देत, पण तुम्ही इथं असणं ते जास्त महत्वाचं आहे आमच्यासाठी, आमच्या टीमसाठी. मी तुमचं सप्रेम, तुमचं आभार मानतो आणि तुमचं स्वागत करतो. आणि आमच्या गंगुले साहेबांना सांगतो की साधासा त्याचा शेन बॉन्ड, व्हेरी स्मार्ट बॉलर फ्रॉम न्यूझीलंड, त्याचा एक बॉल काढा आणि ह्यांच्या समोर हा पोस्ट करा ह्यांच्या स्पीचवर. आर यू रेडी सर? प्लीज, हिज क्वेश्चन फॉर यू. नॉर्मल RDW and low MCV is not associated with anemia with chronic disease, HbE trait, heterozygous thalassemia, iron deficiency anemia. Your time starts now.
Sir, D. Snail sir, D वाटते.
नॉर्मल RDW.
D sir. D है सर.
ओके. आयरन डेफिशिएंसी एनीमिया लॉक कर दीजिए.
ओके सर, हाथ वर करा. थँक यू व्हेरी मच. एंड देयर वाज अ गुगली क्वेश्चन, बट यू आर राईट. वेल प्लेड. हे सांगा, म्हणजे मला काय फिलिंग कसं होतं की चालू करताना कसं होईल, आपली इनिंग कशी चालू होईल, काय वाटत होतं तुम्हाला?
सर, असं पण क्वेश्चन नंबर श्रीकांत ही द ओपनर and he always hit a 6 on first ball.
Yes, so that is perfect. तुम्ही त्याच्या नावाला जागलेला आहात. अभिनंदन. We are going for a second question for you.
सर आमचा फोर्थ माझ्या स्क्रीनवर दिसत नाहीये सर. फोर्थ प्लेअर माझा.
फोर्थ स्वप्नील.
असू दे, पण आवाज येतोय ना त्याचा. आवाज येतो ना, प्लीज गो हेड. राईट, हिअर द क्वेश्चन फॉर यू. अँड द बॉलर इज व्हेरी ब्युटिफुल बॉलर. हा बॉलरची स्टाईल इंग्लंडचा बॉलर होता, ज्याचं नाव होतं जॉन स्नो. असा तिरका पळत याचा ना बॉल टाकायचा. व्हेरी गुड, फंटास्टिक. ऑलमोस्ट माहिती 300-400 विकेट त्यांनी पण घेतलेले असतील. तो त्यांचा एक बॉल तुमच्यासाठी या पिचवर. गंगुलाजी, यू दे तुमचा बॉल. सो दिस इज अ क्वेश्चन फॉर यू. Suppurative cervical lymphadenitis in a 3-year-old child is commonly related to which of the following organism? Staph aureus, atypical mycobacterium, lymphoma with secondary pathogenic organism, Katskas disease. Your time starts now.
सर ए वाटतं
ए वाटते सर
sir,
ए नगरे सर ए
Staph aureus separate commonly related to the following organism. Okay, Staph aureus or atypical mycobacteria.
ए सर ए
Staphylococcus aureus.
तुमचं टाइम संपलेला आहे आणि लीडर कडनं मला आन्सर आलेलं नाही
नाही सर
आहे.
स्टॅफ
Right.
सर मी दिलं होतं सर म्हणजे
स्टॅफ ऑरियस सांगितले सर ते
हा स्टॅफ
सांगितलंय पण तुम्ही मग तुम्ही डिस्कस करता का मला आन्सर करता हे महत्वाचं आहे.
नाही स्टॅफ ऑरियस
आस्किंग युअर टीम लीडर और ऍड्रेस यू द क्विज मास्टर दॅट्स व्हेरी व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट राईट. नाही सेड परत तुम्हाला एक हे मार्क देणार पण तुम्हाला सूचना परत सांगतो तुम्हाला क्विज आय एम क्विज मास्टर माय आन्सर इज तुमच्याकडे आलं तरी चालेल पण क्विज मास्टर ऍड्रेस करा. तुम्ही तुमच्या डिस्कशन मी तुम्हाला त्यांना सांगितलंय मला नाही सांगितलंय. आलं लक्षात. This is warning for all participants for the all next quiz shows. I am going to give it to. I think everybody understood it, right?
Yes.
Thank you very much. Your answer is correct. Answer is A. Okay, well played, Goli. Right. The third question. येऊ देताना तिसरा प्रश्न हा बॉलर फार जबरदस्त आला होता. पॅट्रिक पॅटरसन फार त्याची हवा झाली वेस्टइंडीजची पण त्याच्या समोर होते श्रीकांत आणि असे प्लेअर होते की त्यांनी त्याची हवा काढून घेतली. तो फार दिवस टिकला नाही पण ब्युटिफुल बॉलर त्याची रनअप स्टाईल फार वेगळी होती. पण हा बॉल येऊ दे तुमच्यासाठी पिचवर. गंगुलीजी पॅट्रिक पॅटरसन तुफान 150च्या स्पीड टाकायचा. आपला स्पीड अजून आलाच नाही ह्याच्यावर. पीपल आर वेटिंग.
सम टेक्निकल प्रॉब्लेम आहे. हँग झालाय थोडस 1 minute. It should come.
So the Patrick Patterson. Yes. Say the question for you. Single seizure on day 1 in a neonate requiring phenobarbital injection. What is your further plan if seizure don't recur? Stop phenobarbital after tapering the dose. Stop phenobarbital. Start phenytoin. Start tapering of phenobarbital. Start phenytoin. Stop phenobarbital without tapering of the dose. Your time starts now.
I think it is
sir A sir A
D. I think D. Sir, my answer is D. Stop phenobarbital without tapering of dose.
Okay, now you have understood it, right? तुम्ही डिस्कस ह्यांच्यावर करणार पण आता मला हात करून त्यांनी आन्सर सांगितलेलं आहे. तुमच्या डिस्कस करताना माझ्याकडे बघून मला तुम्ही सांगू नका तर मी ते आन्सर घेणार पण युअर आन्सर इज राईट डी. श्रीकांत हा अनप्रेडिक्टेबल प्लेअर होता. तसा हा गेम ऑफ जेंटलमॅन म्हणतात क्रिकेट आणि प्रेडिक्टेबल फार कमी असतात. शिका तर वेगळाच होता एकदम आणि त्याला कुठला स्नेहल नागरेजी एक मला सांगा श्रीकांतला काय क्लिनिकल कंडिशन असू शकेल का? त्याचं हँडलिंग होतं चेहऱ्याला हात लावायचा काय असेल? काय असेल? टिक्स असेल किंवा अलर्जिक रायनायटिस असेल असं करायचं असं करायचं आणि तो विसरायचा आणि पुढच्या बॉलला खेळायचा. येस वेल प्लेड. थँक्यू. फोर्थ क्वेश्चन फॉर यू. युअर लास्ट या इनिंगचा शेवटचा प्रश्न आहे. गंगुलीजी हँग झाले काय सांगा म्हणजे स्टोरी मला तयार करायला बरी तोपर्यंत. फोर्थ बॉलर इज अजंता मेंडिस राईट. ही वॉज अ व्हेरी मिस्ट्री बॉलर. आपली टीम गेली होती तिथे श्रीलंकेची आणि त्याचे बॉल पहिली 2 टेस्ट मध्ये हरलो आपण. नंतर त्याचा आन्सर आपल्याला मिळालं. ही वॉज ब्युटिफुल बॉलर अँड इज अ क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम अजंता मेंडिस बॉल फॉर यू. के श्रीकांत कसे खेळतात बघूयात. It is necessary to issue discharge or transfer note or card even to the patient who lives against medical advice DAMA without paying bill. Yes. Options yes, no, do not know, none of above.
I think it is yes.
No? A yes. A sir Nagare sir A.
Yes. It is. Sir A yes लॉक कर दीजिए.
अहो पण त्यांनी बिल दिलेलं ना सर असं काय करताय तुम्ही?
सर तरी पण बिल आपण त्याच्यासाठी नाहीच आहे ना सर बिल पैशासाठी तर.
बरोबर आहे. नाही युअर राईट. काय मला एक सांगा स्नेहल नागरे सर आपल्याकडे गंगुलीजी आता मी आहे पेशंटने बिल देत नाही मी त्याला काहीच देत नाही मी त्याला डिस्चार्ज कार्ड देत नाही त्याला बिल देत नाही त्याला काय देत नाही त्याला तसा पळवून लावतो. पण त्यांनी 2 वर्षांतर केस केली आहे. डॉक्टरांकडे मी गेलो होतो असंच झालं आणि माझे 2 दिवसांतर डेथ झाली राईट. त्याच्या सिच्युएशन मध्ये काय असतं मेडिको लिगल तुम्ही सांगा गंगुले सर एक्सपर्ट your comment please.
Whatever the status, if bill is not paid, anything is there, one has to be, that is the right of the patient to have that discharge card, transfer card and note card. So one has to give. There is no option for that. Yes, your pending bill is there. You have the alternate remedy of filing the case of getting the bills for that. But you cannot withhold any of the papers of the patient against the pending bill. That is the status.
Yes, sir. Fantastic information. But see that, right? Important. आपण जेव्हा बिल देतो काय आणि पेपरवर कधी पण बिल माफ केलं हे लिहू नका, लिगली तुम्हाला सांगतो. ते कोर्टावर लागायचं म्हणजे तुमची काय चूक असं ते माफ केलंय. सी दॅट पेशंट हॅड नॉट गिवन द बिल. बरोबर आहे गंगुले सर, मी सांगतो ते.
Most of they feel कि bill is not paid and we have not taken the bill and we have not given the discount. Probably that is the reason that he cannot file the litigation. But that is not so. Even freely treated patients can file the litigation and they have the cases can be filed. Okay.
So friends, you have scored 100%. And
Thank you, sir.
See that, friends. The questions selected are given by the expert. But why I chosen the so simple questions? Because we want to give the message to all our fellow practitioners. Right? Thank you very much. Please,
Thank you, sir.
call the next team. Thank you very much. You played very well. Congratulations. You scored all scorer.
Unprecedented. Shrikant's swingers have scored 40.
Yeah, fantastic. Congratulations. So called the next team. Right? Anil Kumble's Gladiators. He was a fighter, man. And who's the team? The team is from परभणी. तुम्हाला अनिल कुंबळे आवडतो का?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you very much. He was a former captain of. He played over. He taken almost 619 wickets in the Test cricket. He was the third highest bowler in the Test cricket to take the wicket after Muthaiya Muralidharan and Shane Warne. He was a Cricketer of the Year in 1993. Wisden Cricket of the Year 1996, and he was a very good one day. He has taken 6 wickets in 12 balls, and he was in 1996 World Cup. He was the highest wicket taker, and he was got the highest sports civilian award, this Padma Shri. And all over total hint in the international cricket 956 wicket. Friends, he was called Jumbo of the Indian cricket, and he bowled 40,850 balls in Test cricket. Can you imagine? So you are representing a man called he was a very famous and very sincere, and two people, Rahul Dravid and Anil Kumble, are the face of the Indian cricket. Cricket खेळायचं तर त्यांच्याचं no sledging, nothing, फक्त bat आणि ball. So here's the first question, right? So Ganguleji, ready आहात तुम्ही?
Yes.
Here's the first question for you from the bowler is Maninder Singh. आपलाच बॉलर आहे, लेफ्ट हँड बॉलर, व्हेरी गुड बॉलर, विकेट टेकर. सो घेऊ दे गंगुलेजी त्यांचा पहिला प्रश्न त्यांचा इथे लवकर. What is the minimum cutoff level of INR accepted as a criteria to diagnose acute liver cell failure while patient is also having clinical signs of encephalopathy? Your options: 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5. Your time starts now.
Sir.
Who is the team
Sir,
leader?
answer is D. D. Answer is D.
Who is team leader? कोण आहे टीम लीडर तुमचे?
Sir, I am Dr. Khadikar.
Unfortunately, the answer is wrong.
हात दाखवा.
Sir.
Answer is 1.5. You said 2.5. Please, road scorer, they are not scored. Thank you very much. You are going ahead. Second ball for this Anikupur. Bowler is beautiful bowler, Courtney Walsh. And he is the West Indies bowler. त्यांच्याकडे एक बॉल येऊ दे, जबरदस्त बॉल. गंगुलेजी, which of the following statement regarding hydrocele in children is false? Is usually communicating, is a brilliant on transmission, may occur after ventricular petrol shunt and need immediate treatment in the newborn period. Your time starts now.
A.
D, sir. Answer is D. D.
तुम्ही हात वर करायचा प्रत्येक वेळी. स्वप्नील, मी
Yes.
तुमच्याकडे बघणार. दोघांनी डिस्कस.
Yes, sir,
आन्सर इज डी. Unfortunately, it is wrong. अरे भाऊ, है ना, need immediate treatment in the newborn, right? हे फर्स्ट नाही, sorry, एक मिनिट.
Right.
Sorry. Answer is right. Answer is right. Answer is scored correctly. Sorry. Perfectly played. I was stumped, right? Maybe too stressed to have that all questions mingling around. Thank you very much. Congratulations. And scorer, please note they have scored 10 marks. Acknowledge. Thank you. Please say a few words, Laura. And the third ball of this inning, and the bowler is James Anderson from England. Very beautiful bowler. More than 350 already taken, almost 500. And please, Ganguleji, आपल्या मशीनला स्पार्क करा, एक येऊ दे. हा तुमच्यासाठी बॉल आहे. If a term baby develops feeble pulse at birth, then think of following except antepartum hemorrhage, severe birth asphyxia, duct dependent cardiac lesion, none of above. Your time starts now.
D.
D, sir. D. Answer is D.
None of above. Your answer?
None.
Okay.
None of the above.
Actually, your accent is wrong. Please read the question again. You scorer, please say that the score त्यांनी स्कोर केलेलं नाही. शून्य स्कोर आहे. They are not here. तुम्ही अनम्यूट करा मॅडम.
नाही 10. हॅलो मॅम सर 10 मार्क्स पहिल्या
हॅलो नाही आता नाही ह्याच्यासाठी आय एम सेइंग फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन. Duke, if a term baby develops feeble pulse at birth, then think of following escape. यानी की काय डग डिपेंडंट कंडिशन इज द आन्सर. राईट ह्याच्यामध्ये होऊ शकतं पण ह्याच्यामध्ये नाही होऊ शकत. कंडक्ट ओपन असतो. ओके, देयर गुगली क्वेश्चन. द फोर्थ क्वेश्चन फॉर यू. द फोर्थ बॉलर इज मुथय्या मुरलीधरन. व्हेरी गुड बॉलर. तिसरा त्यांचा फेमस होता. यू दे तिसरा यांच्यासाठी गंगुलियाजी. चौथा प्रश्न यू दे त्यांच्यासाठी. इंडियन मेडिकल असोसिएशन व्हर्सेस व्हीपी शांता जजमेंट एम्स टू इन्क्लूड. या केसमध्ये काय इन्क्लूड केलं, काय लॉ आपल्याला अप्लाय झाला? डॉक्टर्स अंडर लॉ ऑफ क्राईम, डॉक्टर्स अंडर लॉ ऑफ थॉट, डॉक्टर्स अंडर कन्झ्युमर प्रोटेक्शन ऍक्ट, डॉक्टर्स अंडर लॉ ऑफ कंडक्ट. कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट. युअर टाइम स्टार्ट्स नाउ.
I think C.
Sir, answer is C.
Yes.
C.
Okay, you are perfectly right, sir. You are perfectly right. You have scored 10 marks and fantastically effort. So now our patients are consumer or you are under Consumer Protection Act also, they can file the case. Okay, Ganguliaji, काही तुम्ही गोष्ट सांगू शकता ह्याच्याबद्दल please? When you
it has been now again it has come the Consumer Protection Act in 2019. So just I will ask one question for you. What is the pecuniary jurisdiction of District now Consumer Forum? What is the pecuniary jurisdiction of the District Forum? Not to waste time, it is now 1 crore. So district is 1 crore, state is 1 to 10 crore, and above 10 crore is the National Consumer Forum. So if patient desires or the compensation of about 1 crore, they can file the case in district forum. So there will be a huge rise in the litigation against us because the pecuniary jurisdiction has been increased to 1 crore.
Okay, yes. Friends, we are at the end of the first inning. All 4 teams played very well. Scorer, madam, please declare the score.
Yes. Anil Kumble's Gladiators have scored 20. Shrikant Swingers have scored 40. Vivian Richards Avengers have scored 30. And Saurov's Knight Riders have scored 20.
Okay, congratulations, the team. And now the second round. Now I will change my guard and take a rest. Go for a half cup of tea here only. But कोई मैं नहीं जा रहा हूँ क्योंकि हम विजिलेंट टीम अभी मेरे पास आ गया है. तो आमचे पांढरीकर सर कुठे आहेत? आमचे नेक्स्ट जे क्विज मास्टर आहेत पांढरीकर सर, आर यू रेडी?
Yes.
पांढरीकर सर, वेलकम. अँड अगेन आय पर्सनली थँक यू ऑन दिस फोरम, कारण तुम्ही माझ्या समोर क्विज मास्टर बनून आता पहिल्यांदा येत आहेत. पण तुमचा जो रिस्पॉन्स होता की पहिला फोन आल्यानंतर डॉक्टर गंगोलिया कोणी काय कोणाची आयडिया आहे हे तुम्ही पुढे घेऊन जा, मी सगळं करतो. आणि तुम्ही आज 24 तासात तुम्ही मला पूर्ण आन्सर DIPच्या प्रॉपर ह्याच्या आणि डेट सकट दिल्या, त्याबद्दल थँक्यू व्हेरी मच. त्याच्यामुळे ही गोष्ट जरा ठीक आहे, त्याच्यामुळे घाईघाई फार झाली आम्हाला. पण गणपती बाप्पाचे आशीर्वाद सगळ्या आपल्या महाराष्ट्रावर आहेत. हे करोनाचं संकट असंच टळो आणि आपला वेळ कारणी लावून आपण चांगले नॉलेजेबल असं मला वाटतं. तर मी आता ह्या माझ्या माईकची धुरा तुमच्याजवळ देतो, पण मी इथंच आहे. काही पण गडबड असेल तर मी तुम्हाला नक्कीच हेल्प करणार. ओके, थँक्यू व्हेरी मच सर. अँड प्लीज गंगुलियाजी, call the first team for the second round.
Yes, before that, of course, a reminder to you, winner of this today's knockout round will go to final in 2nd September, and winners and runner-up will go for this Paschim Rang Pedi quiz. And to just have I will acknowledge the presence of referees, Dr. Nimen Mohanty sir, one of the referee, and another is Dr. Mahesh Mohanty sir. So I feel the both are there. Mohanty sir is definitely there. I feel so Dr. Mohite sir is also there. Please acknowledge Dr. Mohite. Are you there, sir?
I'm there. Go ahead.
Yes, thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much, sir. So with that, we will go to the second inning. And so second inning is our Saurov's Knight Riders, and our quiz master is none other than Mahaibhi Valleyard President, Dr. Jain Pandarikar sir. Huge clap for Dr. Pandarikar sir, who has made this platform available within 24 hours. मी त्यांना एक कॉल केला आणि 24 तासात त्यांनी मला डेट्स टाइम सकट सांगितलं, हे डॉक्टर गंगुलिया तुमचे स्लॉट्स आहे, तुम्ही गो हेड. and immediately मी जयला फोन केला and so it was done within 24 hours. Thank you very much, Dr. Jain sir. Yes, the mic is yours, Dr. Jain sir.
थँक्यू डॉक्टर हेमंत सर. खरं सांगायचं तर ही आयडिया मागच्या बुधवारी आली आणि लगेच आपण फर्स्ट मॅच आपण नेक्स्ट या मंडेला आपण घेतली आणि अर्थातच थँक्स टू DIP टीम आणि सगळ्यात मोठं थँक्स म्हणजे आमची रायगड टीम. ऑल द रायगड टीम दे हॅव जस्ट पुटिंग इन एव्हरीथिंग डे अँड नाईट दे आर वर्किंग टू मेक आउट द क्वेश्चन्स, टू कॉन्टॅक्ट एक्सपर्ट्स आणि पूर्ण क्वेश्चन्स बँक तयार केली आणि तुमच्या समोर आम्ही हे सगळं सर्व करू शकलो. सो फ्रेंड्स, प्लीज गिव्ह अ बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज टू टीम रायगड. Saurabh, Knight Riders, team beat. Are you ready?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Dr. Anurag Pangarikar, you are team leader. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
How is Josh?
Hi, sir.
Hi, sir.
Hi. Good, good, very good. As you are representing the Saurabh's team, let me ask you one question regarding Saurabh Ganguly. What was the highest score of Saurabh Ganguly in Test cricket, and against which country? There are no marks for this question. You can answer.
Pass.
No? Okay. So he scored 239 runs in the Test against Pakistan. Okay. So without wasting time, I'll request our bowling machine, Dr. Hemant Gangolia sir. Gangolia ji, ball ho jaye. Yes, he goes first ball. After how much time reconstituted BCG should be discarded? 1 hour, B 3 hours, option C 6 hours, D 9 hours. Your time starts now.
Okay, sir.
C 6 hours.
6 hours.
Serums BCG C 6 hours.
And you have scored 10 marks. Correct answer. Can you tell me explanation for that? Okay, Anurag ji.
Yes, sir.
Why 6 hours? हमारी ओपडी तो 3 घंटे की रहती है, खत्म हो जाए 3 घंटे में. Why 6 hours?
Because there is no preservative in the vial, so it can have secondary infection in that.
Yes, the antigen shelf half-life is specific for specific reconstituted vaccine. So for BCG it is 6 hours. Okay, so Saurabh Ganguly has scored 10 marks. Next question, Ganguly sir, please, दूसरा बॉल फेंकिए. If a child with nephrotic syndrome is started on steroids and he develops a high-grade fever after 2 weeks and he requires admission, what should be done with the steroids? Stop the steroids. Option B, continue same dose. Option C, reduce dose to maintenance by using hydrocortisone. And option D, use methylprednisolone. Your time starts now.
Answer is B, continue same dose.
B, continue same dose.
B.
Yes, Pangarikar sir?
B, continue same dose. I have given sir like that.
Sorry, you are not scored this time. You lost this question. Scorer,
We had answered, sir.
The answer is C, reduce dose to maintenance by using hydrocortisone. Okay, we switch on to next question.
एक मिनिट सर, एक मिनिट. कोण टीम लीडर आहेत? टीम लीडर सर, तुम्ही हात वर करा.
हो सर, मी हात वर करून बोललो होतो.
नाही, यांनी केला होता हात.
Yes, Jay is answered. He has answered with hands.
Yes,
Dr. Anurag is okay. He's okay. Yes.
So, हेमंत सर, तीसरा बॉल आने दीजिए. Which of the following represent a major criterion for the diagnosis of staphylococcal toxic shock syndrome? Option A is rash, B is conjunctival hyperemia, C is myalgia, D is thrombocytopenia, and E is vomiting. Your time starts now.
Thrombocytopenia. Anurag. D.
E is vomiting. Starts with vomiting and then rash.
Anurag ji.
You're not answered.
Sorry, you're not answered this question. The answer is
vomiting.
No. Answer is, now you can try. Answer is
vomiting. It starts with vomiting.
No, no vomiting. Your answer is
D. Thrombocytopenia.
Sorry, it's not D. The answer is A. That is rash. Okay. So you are not scored any marks in this question. switch on to the next question. Kangolia ji, next ball आने दीजिए. The most common indication for liver transplantation in children is option A, autoimmune hepatitis with liver cell failure. Option B, congenital hepatic fibrosis. Option C, hepatocellular carcinoma. Option D, biliary atresia. And option E, Wilson's disease. Time starts.
Biliary atresia.
D. Biliary atresia.
Biliary atresia.
Yes, you are correct, and you have scored 10 marks for that. Sir, तालियां हो जाने दीजिए. Okay, let me ask you the question related to it. What is the success rate of transplantation and at what age for this biliary atresia? If you can.
Sir.
Yes,
We don't know about transplantation, but we know about castrate operation.
Yes,
If
below
it is done
8
at
weeks
2 months.
transplantation is done, the success
2
rate is almost 90%. Okay.
Sir, not
So-
transplant. Excuse me, sir. Actually, transplant नाही. कसाई ऑपरेशन करेक्टिव्ह सर्जरी जर 8 वीकच्या प्रायर केली तर त्याचा
Yes.
सक्सेस रेट 90% आहे. तरी ते हिपॅटो ते जे ट्रान्सफर करतात.
Yes.
नॉट ट्रान्सप्लांटेशन. कसाई
Any
ऑपरेशन.
surgery.
करेक्टिव्ह.
Scorer madam,
Yes, yes.
please
Uh,
score बताइएगा.
Sure. Saurov's Knight Riders have scored 20 in their first innings, 20 in their second innings, and that go to a total of 40.
Wow.
Okay. So now we move on to switch next team, that is Vivian Richards Avengers from Chandrapur. Okay. Team leader. Who is team leader?
Dr. Mawan.
Traffic
Yeah.
guy. Are you there? Okay. Yes, well, this is a question regarding Vivian Richards. Of course, no marks for this. Tell me, he was a batsman, bowler, and what was he? Best batsman or best bowler?
Batsman.
Very simple question.
Yeah.
Okay, then say पूर्ण ते जे जगामध्ये रँकिंग आहे त्यामध्ये कितवायचं रँकिंग आहे? Can you tell me? No marks, but still you can try. You are representing Vivian Richards.
सरांनी चांगलाच अभ्यास केलाय.
He is a third base batsman after Don Bradman, Sir Don Bradman, and Sachin Tendulkar. Okay, fine. So we come to this our stadium. It is an Antigua Stadium from West Indies. Okay, in the background.
Mute. Yes.
Gangulia sir,
Yes.
please throw the ball. Yes, here goes your question. How much population needs to get infected with COVID-19 and develop antibodies to get herd immunity? Option A, 40 to 50%. B, please don't talk in between. I'll take back this question otherwise.
Sorry.
B, 50 to 60%. Option C, 70 to 80%. And D, 85 to 90%. And time starts.
The answer is C. The answer is C. The answer is C.
It's B.
C.
Yes.
The answer is C. C. C for cat.
Yes, it is correct. Please give 10 marks. Guru madam. Okay. Now coming to second delivery. Gangulia sir, एक फुल टॉस येऊ द्या. येस. थोडासा क्वेश्चन चुकीचा फ्रेम झाला. एनिवे, हाऊ टू कॅल्क्युलेट द एक्सपेक्टेड height of a 18-year-old child? This question should be like that. I repeat, how to calculate the expected height of a 18-year-old child, male child? Time starts now.
It should be from the mid-paternal height, parenteral height.
It's the height of mother.
That's the mid-parental height.
Calculation, sir.
Calculation.
How to calculate? Have to calculate.
Sorry.
Height of father minus 13.
Sorry, time is over. It is calculated by Tanner's formula, and formula says it's the height of mother, height of father divided by 2 plus 6.5. For a male child, we add plus 6.5, and for a female, we subtract from the 6.5 from that. Okay. So, scorer, please note they have not scored any marks in this question.
Yes,
Okay.
noted.
गंगुले सर,
Yes, sir.
आणखीन आता एक यॉर्कर येऊ द्या आता. Yes. After how many days of antibiotic therapy for pertussis patient, he becomes non-infective? Option A, 5 days, B, 10 days, C, 14 days, and D, 21 days. And time starts.
The answer is B, I feel. Everybody agrees with me? B, 10 days. 10 days.
You have to look into the computer again.
Sorry. Your answer is wrong, and answer is 5 days. So, coming to next question. Gangulia sir, next ball you there. See, Vivian Richard is very good batsman. You should score. Okay, here goes the question. The classic triad of intussusception, a pain, a palpable sausage-shaped abdominal mass, and a body or red currant jelly stool is seen in option A, 20% of patients, option B, 30% of patients, option C, 40%, and D, 50%. And time starts now.
A. Is it A? A. We'll go with A. 20%.
I'm sorry, your answer is wrong, and the answer is 30%. Almost 1/3 of the cases they present with these presentations, classical triad. Okay, so at the end of this round, scorer madam, जरा एकदा सांगता का किती स्कोर झाला यांचा तर?
Oh, Vivian Richards Avengers have scored 30 in their first innings and managed 10 in their second innings, taking their total to 40 runs.
And first team was how much? First team also
30,
how much?
30.
Total. First team.
First team is 40.
Second team is
Total.
also 40. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So, I invite next team, that is from Hingoli. They are representing K. Krishnamacharya Shrikant's Swingers. Are you there, all participants? I can't see Dr. Nagre.
Sir, I am here, sir.
Okay, fine.
Sir, Swapnil.
कसं सुरू आहे match?
Sir,
Yes, sir. Fine. Very good.
Sir, Swapnil, are you hearing me?
Okay.
Swapnil.
Now, yes.
आवाज येत नाही स्वप्नील तुझा.
Kindly
Slow-
put off your videos, those who are not into the team.
Nine.
स्वप्नील येत नाही तुझा.
स्वप्नील आवाज येत नाहीये. No.
Don't waste time in technology. You should have done for previously, please.
Dr. Rafiq bhai,
Yeah.
तुमचा व्हिडिओ बंद करा.
Yeah. Do it.
All 4 participants are there from Hingoli.
Yes, sir.
Team leader, raise the hand. Yes.
Now, one question related to Shrikant. Tell me how many tests he played and how many one-day internationals he played in his career.
Pass.
No marks for this.
Pass.
Yes, any guess, any
played-
try?
He played one day more than his test matches.
How many? That's what my question is. Kiti खेळले ते? Yes, he played 43 tests and 146 one-day international.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So here comes your first question, first ball. And I request Gangulia sir, our bowling machine. Please, sir, pehla ball येऊ द्या. Yes. हा जरा एक गुगली आहे. What is a very rapid primary hepatitis B vaccination schedule? Option A, 0, 1, 2 months. Option B, 0, 15, 30 days. Option C, 0, 7, 21 days. Option D, 0, 1, 7 days. And time starts.
नगरे सर
Sir, A वाटतंय.
A is perfect. I think also A. So my answer is A, 0, 1, 2 months.
आय एम व्हेरी सॉरी, मी पहिल्यांदाच म्हटलं होतं की काय गुगली आहे आणि द आन्सर इज सी. इट्स 0, 7, 21 days. आणि युजली जेव्हा दिस इज गिवन फॉर ट्रॅव्हलर्स, त्याला जायचं असेल कुठतरी आणि त्याला इमिजिएट त्याला सगळं प्रायमरी करून घ्यायचं असेल, त्यावेळेला 0, 7, 21 days इज शेड्यूल फॉलोड फॉर दिस ट्विन रिग्स. Okay. So you have not scored any marks in this question. Now, Ganguly sir, दूसरा बॉल फेंका. A child with UTI confirmed on urine culture has received antibiotics for 10 days. The symptoms have settled. When we should repeat urine culture? Option A, after 5 days. Option B, after course of antibiotics is completed. And option C, if USG shows some abnormality. Option D, unless symptomatic, not to be repeated. Your time starts.
I think
Sir, D. D what? D sir. D sir.
Sir, D. My answer is D.
D.
And you are perfectly correct. You scored 10 marks in this round. Ganguly sir, पुढचा बॉल फेका. It's a very simple ball. And here the question is, cephalosporins are widely used in pediatric practice, both in oral and parenteral formulations. Which of the following is the second generation cephalosporin? Option A, cefazolin. Option B, cephalaxine. Option C, cefuroxime. And option D, ceftazidime. Time starts.
C. Cefuroxime. C.
Sir, my answer is cefuroxime. C. Cefuroxime. My answer is C. Cefuroxime.
And you are perfectly correct. 10 marks. टाळ्या होऊन जाऊ द्यात. Ganguly sir. Now can you tell me other two cephalosporins from second generation?
Cefuroxime commonly used. That's why we know.
Yes, but other one, any other one? Yes.
Ceftizioxime.
No.
थर्ड जनरेशन आहे.
It is third generation.
ठीक आहे. Another question.
Cefaclor. It is cefaclor.
What is the main difference between group generation 1, 2, 3 मध्ये काय फरक आहे? स्पेशालिटी काय?
One is for gram positive.
First is gram positive, second is negative, third is against Pseudomonas. Perfectly right. Sir, आपण moving ahead. वेळ आपल्याला कमी आहे.
Yes, चलो. Next. Sir, next question. Sir, ball taka. Yes. Here goes your question. The best treatment for spinal cord compression at the vertebral canal with neurological symptoms caused by extramedullary hematopoiesis in thalassaemic patients is option A, blood transfusion. Option B, splenectomy. Option C, ion chelation therapy 350. Option D, local radiotherapy. And option E, decompression surgery. And time starts.
Sir, E what sir? E what?
I think also it is the decompression surgery.
E sir. E.
Sir, option E, decompression surgery is my answer.
You are perfectly wrong this time. You're perfectly wrong this time. Even anyone can suspect this way, but the answer is local radiotherapy. Okay.
Sir, तुम्ही घाबरवलं आम्हाला पण. Well paid, Srikanth ji. Well paid. So thank you very much.
Yes, the score. Srikanth have scored 40 in their first innings and 30 in their second innings. 20 and taking a score to 60.
Okay. And now we have last team from Parbhani and is Anil Kumble's team.
Gladiator.
Yes, Gladiator. What was his home pitch is Chinnaswamy Stadium from Bangalore. Can anyone answer how many total wickets he took in Test cricket?
619. 619.
Full marks. जर याचे मार्क
690.
असतेत ना तुम्हाला पूर्ण 30 मार्क दिले असते, 40 मार्क दिले असतेस. व्हेरी करेक्ट. 619. ओके. सो बॉलिंग मशीन गंगुलिया सर.
Yes.
नवीन बॉल फेका आणि चांगला फेका एकदम.
Yes, there it is.
What are zero OPV rational and advantages of it? Why we are giving zero OPV? Your
Sir,
time
this
starts.
this is for gut priming,
Gambhir
and
sir.
for gut priming and subsequent doses, the take up is good and the immunity development is good. This is a rational band using zero polio. Gut priming
Yes.
and
Can you add something to that?
so gut priming and subsequent immunity development boosting is good.
But it
So overall
prevents
the immunity
APP and
development.
VDPP. That is also important. Should we grant this
No,
10
sir.
marks?
We cannot
Yes,
grant.
sir.
Abba, let
Abba
me
sir,
decide.
any अर्धा
Abba
answer
sir.
दिलेला आहे.
Priming.
I think we can give him. No problem.
Abba, but
Because we are
VDPP
expecting
can
both the
have-
things.
Look. I will talk here, right? Zero polio given for the important 2-3 things. First, priming is important because right now आपल्याला already polio free declare केलेले right आहे. The cases you get is vaccine associated poliomyelitis or vaccine derived poliomyelitis, right?
Right,
When
sir.
you give zero poliomyelitis, please listen to it because mucosal immunity as well starts getting herd immunity, and priming is okay. But suppose patient doesn't get a zero OPV, right, and he gets directly in between that period, he may get infected with this VAP or VDPP. To get this benefit of that or for that, so that he should not suffer from that. That's why zero polio is given. That is more important answer than priming. कुठलं
Ask
कोणी dose
expert.
priming होणारच आहे. Primer होणारच आहे, priming होणारच आहे. Right.
Expert.
Dr. Mahesh Mohite.
डॉक्टर मोहिते कुठे आहेत?
Dr. Mohite sir, should we give marks?
Look,
मार्क द्यायचे की नाही सांगा सर.
Dr. Mohanty sir, Dr.
मोहंती सर ठीक आहे.
Second argument given by Jay is very much right. He is vulnerable to get polio during this period, neutral period also. See, he is vulnerable to VDPP. So the zero polio is given for early protection.
Right.
Apart from the priming.
And sir,
Should we give marks or
should we
not?
give marks or not? Sir,
No.
And most important thing, it gives adequate B cell memory enough, and when you give IPV, it gives both immunity, mucosal as well as proper systemic immunity. So I have discussed की पूर्ण प्रश्न उत्तर आलं तर मार्क द्यायला पाहिजे. क्वेश्चन फॉर्म करताना मी सांगितलं होतं, राईट? यू
Jay, go ahead. Dr. Jain sir, go ahead, please.
Please. Next question.
No marks for this quorum. No marks for this quorum.
No marks.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much, Dr. Mohanty sir, for an expert comment.
Next question,
Yes.
sir. Patient of asthma suboptimally controlled on ICS therapy. Which is the best option? Option A, add Montelukast to ICS. Option B, double the ICS dose. Option C, add theophylline. And option D, use combination of ICS and LABA. Your time starts.
D.
D, sir.
The answer is D. Answer is D.
Okay, you are correct. Let's go to 10 marks. Sir, next question येऊ द्या, वेळ कमी आहे. Yes, here goes. The targeted preductal saturations after birth are as follows, except option A, 1 minute 60 to 75%. Option B, at 3 minutes 70 to 75%. Option C, 5 minutes 75 to 80%. Option D, 10 minutes 85 to 90%. Time starts.
I think A.
No, B. I think B.
The answer is B. Answer is B. Answer is B, sir.
I'm sorry, the answer is C, because read the question. They have said except, because 75 to 80% is achieved at 4th minute, not 5 minutes. Okay, so you don't score any marks in this round. Gangulia sir, next question you there. Next ball pick up. The question is, the most common extra-intestinal manifestation of celiac disease in children is option A, osteoporosis, option B, iron deficiency anemia, option C, arthritis, option D, short stature, and option E, First, stomatitis. Your time starts now.
I think C.
D.
C.
Answer is B, sir. B.
I'm sorry, you're not scored this time, and answer is D.
They said D.
Answer is D.
I said that.
They said D. Dr.
Yes,
Jain sir, they said D.
I heard B. Is it D or D?
D.
No, you said B.
Hemant sir?
तुमचे थांबा एक मिनिट प्लीज स्कोर
You said B. I heard B. That's what I'm saying.
I heard Dr. Swapnil Khalikar, the
Sir,
leader,
sir,
said
Saying
B.
B. Yes, you said B. Dr. Swapnil.
B बनना तुम्ही.
Sir, I said B. I said B.
Yes. Very honest. Please. So you don't score any marks this time. So scorer, madam, what is the score at the end of this inning?
They have scored in the first innings. They have scored 20. In the second innings, they have scored 10, taking a total of 30.
Okay. So thank you all the participants and thank you organizers for giving me this opportunity.
Madam, all four scores, please.
Yes. Sauros Knight Riders are at 40. Vivian Richards are at 40. K. Shrikants are at 60 and Anil Kumble's are at 30.
Okay.
चलो,
थँक यू सर पांढरीकर सर. नाव वी आर गोइंग ॲट युअर लॉस ऑफ टाइम. फक्त
Yes,
शेवटचे
that's
15 मिनिटं राहिलेले आहेत. आपण रॅपिड फायर पहिल्या टीमला बोलवा. गंगुलाईजी लगेच.
Saurav Knight Riders, be ready.
Are you ready? Saurav Knight Rider, please
Yes.
बाकीचे म्यूट and audio off. अनुराग सर एक्नॉलेज करा तुमचे टीम मेंबर आणि कोण आन्सर देणार हे ठरवा. हे रॅपिड फायर आहे. तुम्ही डिस्कस करत बसला तर तुमचा मिळणार नाहीत मार्क. अवघड होऊन जाईल तुम्हाला. ओके. तर रॅपिड फायर मध्ये तुम्हाला ऍट अ स्टेज विल आस्क क्वेश्चन्स, राईट? स्टार्ट क्वेश्चन when time starts. At the end of question you have to answer or answer नसेल तर पास म्हणायचं. समथिंग I have to heard some answer or pass word. हे जर असेल तरच मी पुढचा प्रश्न विचारणार. नाही तर मी तसाच थांबून राहणार. ओके. तर कोण तुमच्यातला आन्सर करणार आहे दॅट विल बेटर फॉर यू सो दॅट यू कॅन अटेंड मोर क्वेश्चन्स, राईट? दॅट इज अ थिंग. कोण करणार तुमच्यातले? तुम्हीच करणार?
यस.
डिसाइड करा.
सर दोघांनी आन्सर केलं चालेल ना?
नाही पण दोघांनी वेगवेगळं केलं तर काय करणार? आम्ही दोघं नाही घेऊ शकणार. एकच आन्सर घेणार. दोघांचं बैग नाही घेणार.
त्यावेळेला आम्ही करेक्ट असं म्हणू.
तसं नाही चालणार. तुम्हाला रॅपिड फायर मध्ये दोघांनी दिलं तर ह्याचं घ्या तसं नसतं. जो पहिला येणार त्याचं घेणार आम्ही. ते कसं कळणार आम्हाला? आलं लक्षात? तर बेटर तुम्ही सांगा. त्यांच्याकडनं काय त्यांना विचारून तुम्ही मला सांगा. असं करा. चौघच सांगतील. काय अर्थ नाही राहणार त्याला. ओके. Who is going to answer? Please take immediate decision. There is no time. Izar, आप दोगे आन्सर. चलो ठीक आहे. I will watch your skill only. आता यावेळी जे बॉलिंग मशीन आहेत, कारण मी जरा थकलेलो आहे आणि जैन सरांनी पण जबरदस्तच बॅटिंग केलेली आहे. असं काय म्हणजे असे चौके छक्के मारले आम्हालाच घाबरवलं त्यांनी काय काय गोष्टी होते. असं चूक आन्सर तर आता आमचे बॉलिंग मशीन जे आहेत. गंगुले तुम्ही तयार आहात का? आता तुम्ही क्वीज मास्टर आहात.
Whenever I am asking question, please you mark which are the correct answer and you are going to explain after this gets over. And because I think so Anurag is freezed, he's out of I don't know, so you decide big team how to go about it. So your time as well as question starts here. Phenytoin injection administered intravenously after dilution with what agent?
Normal saline.
Birth weight doubles by
5 months.
Which drug is used when hypocalcemic seizure not responding to injection calcium?
Magnesium. Injection magnesium.
The predominant organism causing brain abscess in children are?
Staphylococcus and Pseudomonas.
The most common cause of childhood subarachnoid hemorrhage and intraparenchymal hemorrhage stroke is?
HDN, hemorrhagic disease of newborn.
How often are EEGs abnormal in healthy children? Percentage?
20%.
The recommended room temperature for maintaining warmth for neonate is?
37 degrees Celsius.
28.
Principal surface active lipid in surfactant is?
Lecithin and phospholipids.
That's it. Jay, how many?
Okay, so they have attempted total 7 questions. First
8 questions.
8
questions. 8 questions.
Okay. So first question was the phenytoin injection administered intravenously after dilation with normal saline. They said actually it's a 5% dextrose. That was wrong. Birth weight doubles by 4 months. They said 5 months. That is wrong. Which drug used when hypocalcemic seizure doesn't respond to inject calcium? They said magnesium sulfate. That is correct. The predominant organism causing brain absence in children are aerobic, anaerobic, streptococci is the answer. They said something else. That is wrong. And the most common cause of childhood subacute and intraparenchymal hemorrhage stroke is AV malformation. They also said some vitamin K deficiency. That is also wrong. And how often the age is abnormal in a healthy children is only 10%. And the recommended room temperature of maintaining warmth of the neonate is 25 to 28 degrees Celsius room temperature. They also say 37%, the 37 degrees, that is wrong. And principal surface active lipid in surfactant is phosphatidylcholine 66%. So they're not answered. So that answered only 1. So they are scored only 10 marks in this rapid fire. Not about rapid fire is always difficult. Scorer, please note, they have scored 10 marks. Scorer.
Yes, they've scored 10 marks.
Okay,
So
please call next team. Where do we have very less time? Please mute yourself and audio of video of कीजिए सौरभ गांगुली team.
Vivian Richards, Avengers, IIP Chandrapur branch. Please come forward. Who is the team leader? Who will be addressing the answers?
I'm unable to start the video, please.
So Venkat.
कौन है आवाज है ना लीडर कौन है
The video is not starting.
आंसर कौन करना है आंसर
Venkat will be answering.
कौन
Dr.
Venkat ji no problem, he is ready. Venkat ji, are you ready? Venkat ji हाँ ठीक है आवाज आपका कम आ रहा है. इट विल बी जिसका आवाज आ रहा है उसको आंसर करने दो. फिर आपका अगर नहीं आएगा तो your voice is not clear, but not waiting for that, please. Who is going to speak? अरे यार
Yes, I am ready.
कौन ready?
Dr.
Bhavani.
Yeah. I can hear you, sir. Can you hear me?
Okay. ठीक है.
Jay, start करूँगा. Jay, start करूँगा.
Start करा. चलो start, please.
You start. So your time and questions starts. Hello. Now don't disturb, please. We are starting our questions and time now. Which is the most sensitive marker of pneumonia according to WHO? Answer करो या पास तो बोलो.
Respiratory rate.
Most sensitive marker of intravascular volume is?
Pulse.
The most commonly used and the only FDA approved oral agent for treatment of type 2 diabetes mellitus in children and adolescents is?
Insulin.
What are the urine calcium levels to name as hypercalciuria?
Pulse.
Commonest reason when patient of SVT doesn't respond to adenosine?
Because
what is meaning of demand flow for ventilators?
Pulse.
What is incubation period of COVID-19 infection?
0 to 14 days.
The earliest clinical picture of ataxia telangiectasia is?
Telangiectasia in the eyes.
Earliest clinical feature of ataxia telangiectasia is? Okay.
Telangiectasia in the eyes.
Okay. Thank you very much. Are you hearing me?
Yes.
So, Vivian Richards, you started with which is the most sensitive marker of pneumonia according to WHO? Answer is tachypnea, right? Not respiratory rate. Most sensitive marker of intravascular volume is heart rate. The most commonly used and only FDA approved oral agent for treatment of type 2 diabetes mellitus in children and adults is metformin. Hypercalciuria definition is 4 milligram per kg per 24 hour. At least you should pass the calcium in the urine. You are not able to answer. And the commonest reason when the SVT sudden response to adenosine is a wrong technique of the giving adenosine. And what means the demand flow for ventilators? Actually not able to answer, but the answer is minimum flow required to generate volume or pressure into the ventilator. What is the incubation period of COVID-19? It is a 2 to 7 days. You are not answered well. So your And last question was, what is the earliest clinical feature of ataxia, telangiectasia? It is the ataxia only, right? So friends, so they are scored how many? Right? Kutla आलं त्यांचं? I think they have not scored anything in this.
Right kind of.
Okay, sorry. You played well, right? Questions were somewhat simple, but this rapid fire is like that only. So you have to click the rather attempting much questions, rather try to answer more. Thank you very much. Played well. Thank you very much for joining and excellent response. Thanks. So K. Srikant, the next team, because of running of the time. K. Srikant, please join.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. I am here.
Are you ready, sir?
Yes, sir.
Are you ready, sir?
No, sir.
Good chance to. They are already scored 60. Srikant is leading. Ganguly ji, bowling machine ready?
Yes. So
please.
your time and questions.
Sir, Venkatesh will give answer. Venkatesh will give answer.
Who is Venkatesh? Mr. Venkatesh.
जय व्यंकटेश बघा.
ओके, व्यंकटेशला बघितलं, त्याचंच आन्सर घेणार आपण. चालेल. चलो चालू करा गंगुलेजी, मशीन चालू करा तुमचं.
Yes, the time and question starts. In ICU terminology, DOPE, what is meaning of E? Dope. Meaning of E.
Evacuation.
The major chemical modulator of attention is
Dopamine.
higher risk of recurrence of the febrile seizure is associated with lower serum levels of which electrolyte?
Iron.
The most common specific learning disorder of childhood is
ADHD.
the most common cause of using infant formula is
Pass.
for each 1 degree centigrade increase in temperature about 38 degrees leads to increase in maintenance water need by how many percent?
10%.
Encephalopathy is refeeding syndrome is mainly as a result of
Pass.
the most common cause of viral meningoencephalitis are most commonest cause.
Varicella.
The most frequent lesion associated with neurofibromatosis type 2 NF2 is
Optic neuromas.
Okay.
Yes, your time ends.
Okay, your time is up. In ICU terminology, dope, what is the meaning of E? What you said?
Evacuation.
Evacuation
Sorry,
they said.
it is actually equipment failure. D is the displacement tube, O is obstructive, P is the pneumothorax, E is the equipment failure. Answer was wrong. Then the major chemical modulator for attention is dopamine. I think they are answered correctly.
Right.
And higher risk of recurrence of febrile seizure associated with lower serum. What is said? Iron.
Yes.
Which iron? Sorry.
Iron, sir.
Iron, na?
Iron, sir. Iron.
Iron nahi.
Okay, that is wrong. Actually, the answer is sodium. The most common specific learning disorder of childhood is the dyslexia. And the most common cause of using infant formula is parental preference, not doctor prescription. And the next one is for each 1 degree increase in temperature above 30 degree increase. What is the increase in maintenance water by? So you said 10%. That is correct. I will give to you. Yes. And most common cause of viral meningitis are the enterovirus, not a single. Lot of enteroviruses that are more common than our varicella, right? And the most frequent lesion associated with neurofibromatosis type 2 NF2 is the bilateral vestibular schwannomas. You are near about that, but not able to answer.
Jay, one more question they attempted. Encephalopathy in refeeding syndrome is mainly as a result of.
They are not able to answer, right? Okay.
Answer
is a thymine.
Yes.
Okay. So they have scored 20 marks. 2 answers are correct. I think scorer
80.
Yes.
Scorer, madam.
Yes. They have scored. I'm here. They have scored 20 in the knockout rounds, and the total they have scored is 80.
Okay. Congratulations. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you for joining. Thank you, Sapnil ji. Thank you all team members. And Anil Kumble team, please join again. Please.
Yes.
Anil Kumble ji, aale ka?
Yes,
Parbani, IIB Parbani branch, please come forward.
Yes, sir.
So you have to score to go to the second final. Your score is right now. The score kitna total लगता? 30. You have to answer 6 correct questions so that you can go into the final. Right? Okay. Congratulations. Best of luck. Well played, and let us see what happens. And here the machine जी, आपका last chance है आज target डालने का, तो machine आपका शुरू कर दीजिए.
So your time as well as questions starts here.
एक minute. Who is going to answer? Swapnil ji.
sir,
Okay,
I am
Swapnil
going to
ji.
answer.
I will look to you.
Yes.
Chalo, thank you.
We start with questions and time here. Trigonocephaly is a skull deformity that is direct result of premature fusion of which suture?
Metopic.
Pass.
What is long form of RSI? Long form of RSI.
Rapid sequence intubation. Rapid sequence intubation.
After activation of emergency medical system, the next action to unresponsive child is
CPR.
Check pulse.
persistence of Moro reflex beyond which month is abnormal?
After 3 months.
Which type of OPV is available now?
Bivalent.
Bivalent.
Mention clinical condition with spurious hypokalemia.
Okay, pass.
How to calculate sodium required to treat in hyponatremia? Formula
0.6 multiplied by body weight multiplied by 135 minus the desired the actual value.
Premature infant blinks in response to a brilliant light at?
You can answer.
You can answer this question because you
Sir,
started.
मला ऐकू नाही आलं मला सर आन्सर मला क्वेश्चनच ऐकू आलं नाही.
A premature infant blinks in response to a bright light at which weeks?
At
what weeks?
4 weeks. 4 weeks. 4 weeks. 4 weeks.
Yes,
4 weeks.
Okay, yes. Here is the trigonocephaly is a skull deformity that is direct result of premature fusion of which suture? It's a metopic suture. Answer correctly. What is the long form of RSI? I heard rapid sequence intubation. That is very correct. And after activation of emergency medical system, the next action to unresponsive child is you said CPR. CPR पण अगोदर पेशंटची असेसमेंट करायची असते 10 सेकंद पेशंटची पल्स बघायची असते. यू आर रॉंग. And persistence of Moro reflex beyond this month is abnormal. Is above 6 months is abnormal. You said 3 months.
Jay, एक मिनिट. They actually त्यांनी CPR सांगितलं आणि त्यानंतर कोणी चेक पल्स सांगितलं. But we will take CPR. No. But we will take CPR as first answer. Yes, we will not take that answer. Yes.
Then I will give 100 marks for this calculation, but limitation is only 10 marks. How to calculate sodium required to treat the hyponatremia? I said correctly 0.6 into 135
body
minus
weight into
body weight into minus that measured 135. This 135 minus the serum sodium level. So I got the answer correctly. And the premature infant blinks in response to bright light 28 weeks of life. So you have scored.
No, sir, Jay, sir. Don't question my saying. Which type of OPV is available now?
Which type?
Bivalent.
But I want type boss. Type 1, type 3. Bivalent काय? Type 1, type 2 पण असू शकतं.
Sir, type 1, type 3. Type 1, type 3.
That answer is wrong.
Answer is wrong.
That answer is wrong. आणि one more question.
सगळ्यांनाच माहिती टाइप पाहिजे होता
आणि
त्याच्यामध्ये.
one more question त्यांनी अटेम्प्ट केलं होतं. मेन्शन क्लिनिकल कंडिशन विथ स्पुरियस हायपोकॅलेमिया.
ते तुम्हाला सांगतो मी. त्याच्यामध्ये कसं आहे की आपल्या हायपर लिकोसायटोसिस ज्याच्यामध्ये असतो, सिरम जर ठेवला पण ते बाहेर काढून तर त्या पोटॅशियम कन्झ्युम करतात. बेसिकली लाईक ए ल्युकेमिया कंडिशन. सो यू गेट लोअर सिरम potassium level. So basically you scored only 30 marks in this. We played well, right? You got a very difficult answer. तुम्ही छान दिलेले आहेत. So thank you very much for joining this quiz show. And they have scored 30 marks. Scorer madam, तुम्ही score final सगळ्यांचा सांगा. सगळे ऑडिओ व्हिडिओ ऑन करू शकता.
The final score is Saurov's Knight Riders are at 50, Vivian Richards Avengers are at 40, Shrikant Swingers are at 80, and Anil Kumble's Gladiators are at 60. Very well done.
Yes, thank you very much, scorer, for perfect maintaining the scorecard. And she has declared a score. So I will just request our chief guest as well as our guest of honor, Dr. Parmanand, as well as Dr. Nimen Mohanty sir, to please announce officially the winner of the quiz, and please give your few comments on that. Yes, Dr. Parmanand and Dr. Mohanty sir, any one of you can start. Yes. Dr. Parmanand hai kya?
Mohanty sir, please unmute yourself.
Dr. Parmanand is there?
Dr. Parmanand?
He is not. Seems not. Dr. Mohanty sir, आप declare कीजिए. Yes.
So Hingoli, the Shrikant team has scored 80. So they are declared as the winner for the day.
Please clap, everyone clap.
Artist, congratulations.
So with that, we come to the end of the third knockout match, and so the winner is Hingoli. So Hingoli will be going to the finals. With Dr. Parmanand is not there, we will take the remarks from Dr. Dabarkar sir. Yes, Dr. Dabarkar sir. एक अजून फायनल मध्ये आलाय 2 सप्टेंबर साठी. अनम्यूट करा.
Which final? I was busy with some other work.
अरे सर, फायनल मध्ये ह्या टीम मधून हिंगोली गेले आणि लास्ट मॅच मध्ये हिंगोली इज गॉन फॉर 2 सप्टेंबर. बोला सर.
Okay, I would.
Congratulations.
I really congratulate everybody of you. You have done excellently well. Wait.
सर, तुमचा आवाजाचा ऑडिओचा प्रॉब्लेम आहे. बाय द टाइम ही गेट्स हिज ऑडिओ करेक्टेड.
now?
Yes.
Yes.
Am I audible now?
Yes.
आवाज प्रदर्शन करा.
Dr. Wankhede sir, please mute yourself. हाँ.
Am I audible now?
हाँ सर, बोलिए, जल्दी बोलिए. We have less time.
I would like to congratulate Hingoli team. I specifically love Hingoli team because they
Thank you,
have
sir.
taken a lot of interest in all these TOTs which we conduct at national level. So Swapnil and everybody, I'm so happy. I congratulate you, and I'm sure that you will go to West Zone final also, and you will earn something there also. I wish you best luck. Congratulations, organizers, scorer, and everybody of you. Thank you very much.
Dr. Dabarkar sir has very soft corner for Hingoli because when they were doing fine job, he's requested us to congratulate Hingoli team. So Dabarkar sir is having very soft corner for Hingoli.
They are ultra rural area and they are doing extremely
yes.
well.
I agree, sir.
Sir,
But एक मिनट. I am seeing. बोलिए जैन sir.
Dr. Prashant Jadhav is there.
Yes, I will just come to him. Before that, I'm just seeing Dr. Sheikh Minaz. He's an intelligent.
Sheikh is there.
Dr. Sheikh, just आपका 1-2 comment, 1-2 line में बताइए ना sir.
I think I am on duty, but still enjoying the.
Very good.
Enjoying the whole proceedings. The interesting part is two. Number one is, of course, the organization, the logistics and all. Excellent. The most important thing which I am observing is the response from the answers from our doctors. I mean, it's wonderful. Somebody has given sodium calculation.
Yes.
So that means our level is really growing up, and we are learning a lot even in our COVID time. That's a great thing.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Then sir, Dr. Prashant Jadhav. Dr. Prashant Jadhav.
Where is Prashant?
See, we have last 4 or 5 minutes, 4 minutes. So please, Dr. Prashant Jadhav. If he's not able to connect, I will just request our scorers, both scorers, Dr. Nilima as well as Dr. Sunita, to express the remarks. Please. Scorer नहीं बोलायला पाहिजे. दोघींनी बोला. एकेकाने बोला. Yes, Dr. Sunita.
I want to congratulate all the teams. They've done extremely well, and congratulations to the winner, Hingoli team. And but I want to mention Parbhani team did excellent in the knockout rounds. I mean, hats off with that sodium calculation in a knockout, in a rapid fire was too good. So congratulations once again. Thank you.
Dr. Nilima.
Congratulations, Hingoli team. It was well played event.
Now we will move to the Dr. Jain. Please notice who are the office bearers here. By that time, just your participants. One participant from Hingoli will give their remarks, and anyone of the other team, please.
I think
first from Hingoli.
We should ask the winner, captain of the winner team.
Yes, captain of the winner team.
Yes.
Jaldi.
Sir, it was a very good contest. The questions were very good. Though it was prepared in a very short span, I congratulate to Raigad team, IIP Raigad team, especially Dr. Gangulia sir, Bhandarkar sir, and Abasai sir, because they have done very extreme hard work in this, and due to their hard work, program is on such a very big diet now.
Okay. Thank you, sir. With lack of time, on the other team leaders, we will just ask Dr. Preeti Chauhan. Preeti Chauhan, please. Is there? She's there. Or anyone from Chandrapur, please. From Chandrapur, anyone.
Sir, Anurag from Bid.
Yes, Anurag. Anurag, boliye. Boliye, Anurag. अनुराग बोलिए
प्लीज.
हाँ सर, it was nice organization by all of you. You have taken lot of efforts. रात में 11 बजे होने के बाद तुम्हारा क्वेश्चंस फ्रेम करने का चल रहा था और अभी ये सब एफर्ट्स बहुत ही अच्छे हैं. थैंक यू सर.
कल तो 1:30 बज चुके थे.
डॉक्टर स्वप्निल is there?
नमस्कार. Yes sir, yes.
Yes, डॉक्टर स्वप्निल बोलिए प्लीज.
सर खूपच छान स्पर्धा तुम्ही ऑर्गनाईज केली आणि आम्हाला खरोखरच यामध्ये सहभागी होऊन आनंद झाला. निश्चितच आम्ही पुन्हा अशा नवीन संधीची वाट पाहू आणि पुन्हा जर तुम्ही काही ऑर्गनाईज केलं तर आम्ही त्याच्यामध्ये आनंदाने सहभागी होऊ. धन्यवाद.
One point I want to share. पीपीटी तयार झाल्यानंतर परत करेक्शन रात्री 2:17 डॉक्टर आबासाहेबाचा ईमेल येतो की बाबा 4 स्लाइड तुम्ही करेक्ट करा. सो दॅट वॉज फर्स्ट.
आणि 3 स्लाइड आता दुपारी 1 वाजता आपण करेक्ट केल्यात.
डॉक्टर जयंत सर चालले इमर्जन्सी सीजर कॉल अटेंड करायला. मला सांगतात फोन करून हेमंत जरा वो 3 क्वेश्चन में जरा प्रॉब्लम लग रहा है, मेरे को चेंज कीजिए आप. तो वो मुझे फिर चेंज करने पड़ा 12:15 बजे. सो इट इज फन. वी आर एंजॉयिंग, नो प्रॉब्लम. एनीवे, any other people who want to, any other डॉक्टर पांढरीकर सर तुम्ही शेवटी बोलणार आहे आणि सर्वात शेवटी वानखेडे सर बोलणार आहे. युअर सेकंड लास्ट वानखेडे सर.
डॉक्टर जय वॉन्ट्स टू फिक्स. जय सर.
जय का लास्ट. जय का शेयर. I will tell that last will be Jay with the share. Vote of thanks वानखेडे सर, डॉक्टर पांढरीकर सर. उसके पहले किसी को बोलना है तो बोलिए प्लीज. डॉक्टर आबासाहेब तू बोल. आबासाहेब.
Sir, because of this quiz, we are reading the books. That is a very important thing. And we are improving our knowledge.
I will ask which edition of Lenser is the recent one.
I think so, 20th.
Sir, no one is reading Nelson now.
Okay. Dr. Abbas, please, Abbas.
Unmute.
Hello. Good evening and congratulations, Hingoli team. You have done extremely well. No doubt about it. All the teams very well played. And I'm very much sure that those googlies were there. They were not for you, they were for us. To know that at what level our quiz masters are standing. So you have done a great job. Basically, all the participants, congratulations for just taking the part of it. Because taking part is as good as winning. I tell you very honestly, if I would have sat on the other side of the table, I would have not answered even a single question. So thank you so much, and I congratulate Hingoli team again, and very well organized. Dr. Rolia sir, Dr. Pandrikar sir, good quiz master, excellent. Even I am very happy that you are also equally interested in cricket as our Dr. Bhandarkar sir. Good. My scorers actually Dr. Ingle madam and Dr. Nilima madam, better half of our Bhandarkar sir, they are doing extremely well. हे actually कुटुंब रंगले काव्यात सारखं आहे सर. आमच्या आयपीचं सगळं कुटुंब एकामध्ये असं रंगले. मारतायत. All the best to you. All the best.
Few minutes are there. Yes, Dr. Preeti is there. I am able to see Dr. Preeti. Do you want to comment anything? Yes, Dr. Preeti.
Yeah, actually it was very good, sir. And like we are feeling like we are in our UG and PG days. Like
Right.
सवेरे से शाम तक हम लोग पढ़ रहे हैं.
अरे.
Very good. Yeah, actually.
Thank you.
Let's be honest. पढ़ लिया आपने तो उसका कुछ फायदा हुआ? Be honest.
Yeah, sir. फायदा ही.
सर नहीं मैडम, नहीं होता है. ये पढ़ने के लिए नहीं है मैडम.
नहीं होता है.
ये आके बैठने का और छोड़ देने का मैडम.
अच्छा. With that we come towards the end. Dr. Wankhede sir. Then Dr. Pandrikar sir. Sorry, Dr. Pandrikar sir. I'm sorry.
थँक्यू व्हेरी मच. खरंच सांगायचं म्हणजे ही परीक्षा क्विज मास्टरचीच असते हो. क्विज काढणं, क्वेश्चन काढणं इतकं सोपं नाही आहे. कुठे क्वेश्चन मध्ये एक्सेप्ट टाकायचा, कुठे काय टाकायचा, इट्स रिअली डिफिकल्ट. आणि आर ऑल्सो कॉमा कुठे ठेवायचा, इट्स रिअली इट्स डिफिकल्ट. आणि कसे क्वेश्चन फ्रेम करायचे, आणि बट रिअली लर्निंग एक्सपिरियन्स आय वुड से. आणि थँक्यू टू ऑल ऑफ यू अँड अवर ऑर्गनायझिंग टीम. ओव्हर टू डॉक्टर जय सर.
वानखेडे सर.
जय सर.
जय शेवटी. डॉक्टर वानखेडे सर.
डॉक्टर विशाल राऊत इज देयर. आपले
थँक यू ऑल.
विशाल राऊत.
एक मिनिट डॉक्टर वानखेडे सर. विशाल
त्याला बोलायला.
विशाल.
He's always there. That's why.
For our information, Dr. Vishal Raut is our technical expert. He does all recordings. So we are doing that. He's doing very great job. He's a silent working person, a very strong pillar for this all organizing the things. So Dr. Vishal, 1 or 2 lines from you, please. Dr. Vishal. Okay. Thank you. Thanks, Vishal, for your efforts. Yes, Vankade sir.
Yes, thank you very much. Congratulations to Hingoli team and other team also who added flavor to this match. Thank you to Central IIP and very much thankful to Dr. Dabharkar sir and our guest of honor, Dr. Parmanand sir, for their gracious presence. Thank you very much, Dr. Mohanty sir and Dr. Mohite sir as an expert. And thank you very much, our president, Dr. Jayant Pandrekar, who played as a double role here, as a president and as a quiz master also. Thank you, Dr. Scorer. They are really honest in scoring the match. Thank you to our president, Dr. Gangolia sir, and our quiz master, Dr. Abasaheb Patankar, Dr. Jay Bhandarkar. Both this trio has taken tremendous efforts to make this event successful. Thank you very much. And the man who always remains behind the screen, Dr. Vishal Raut, and technical expert from Central IP, Mahima Madam. And thank you all audience, and especially thank you to Dr. Prashant Jadhav sir and Dr. Rajesh Boop and Dr. Amol Pawaras. I was sorry, I forgot. But thank you all. And thank you, audience and attendees. Thank you very much.
Before we moving to share square, he's already with one of the share and he will be coming with share. So he's a share square. Before that, one final comment from Dr. Nimen Mohanty sir. आज कैसा परफॉर्मेंस हुआ उनका टीम का पार्टिसिपेंट का सर 1-2 लाइन आप बताइए फिर we will go to the double share or share square. Yes, Dr. Mohanty sir.
Yeah, thank you, Hemant. See, the reading at the time of quiz is not required. See, if you keep reading at least 1 page a day, if not more,
yes,
1 page a day, every day, I think that will be more desirable than preparing like a student. See, look at Vishal, we are proud of him. He's our student and he's doing a great job. We are really proud of him. And he's very regular, silent worker. He has been with us as a student also in his PG days. Very silent worker, sincere, empathic, but not. So it should be a slow water that cuts the stone. Whether we should go on daily reading at least 1 page, that will be enough. Not mugging up the Nelson.
Okay,
and
sir. We will
prepare
for next year's quiz.
Coming quiz.
That's the spirit. That's the spirit.
Sir, thank you for your golden words, golden advice, very wise advice. Really is I can tell that the slogan of the day, a page a day. A page a day is the to do the study and get acquainted. And just Dr. Dabharkar sir, काय बोलायचं तुम्हाला? Otherwise we are going to share double square share.
अरे त्यांना की तिसऱ्यांदा बोलत आहे.
Yes, double share square.
Friends, ये शेर का नाम है तूफानों से लड़ने का मजा. साहिल पे पहुंचने से इनकार किसे है लेकिन, साहिल पे पहुंचने से इनकार है किसे है लेकिन, तूफानों से लड़ने का मजा ही कुछ और है. तूफानों से लड़ने का मजा ही कुछ और है. कहते हैं कि किस्मत खुदा लिखता है लेकिन, कहते हैं कि किस्मत खुदा लिखता है लेकिन उसे मिटा के खुद गढ़ने का मजा ही कुछ और है. तो खुद गढ़ने का मजा ही कुछ है. थैंक यू वेरी मच फ्रेंड.
अनुराग, जय एक मिनिट. अनुराग, जयला रिस्पॉन्स करावा लागेल तुम्हाला जयला रिस्पॉन्स करावा लागेल.
मी करतो.
अनुराग तुम्हाला रिस्पॉन्ड करावा लागेल. येस,
विनाश नहीं केला.
डॉक्टर शेख मिनाज.
खुदी को कर बोलन इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले, खुदी को कर
खुदा बंदे
खुदा बंदे से खुद पूछे बता तेरी रजा क्या है.
तेरा रजा क्या है?
अनुराग response to that. अनुराग response to that.
हो ते बंद करतील मीटिंग.
नाही, लास्ट अनुराग मला वाटतं फ्रीज झालाय.
चलो
Anurag
थैंक
is
यू
there.
वेरी मच. शब्बा खैर. मिलते हैं 31 का किस
Hey, एक मिनट जय अनुराग इज बैक. अनुराग एक जवाब देना, एक जवाब दे दो, रिस्पॉन्स दे दो. यस सर.
नहीं सर, आता एकदम
नहीं याद आ रहा है.
नहीं होना रहा.
ओके नेवर माइंड नो प्रॉब्लम. कल उन्होंने हमको टेस्ट में बहुत अच्छा बढ़िया शेर सुनाया था, मगर वो अभी इस बार वो नहीं बोल सकते क्योंकि ये लाइव है. वो कल हमारे लिए बहुत अच्छा था. एनीवे थैंक यू वेरी मच.
Thank you very much.
Thank you
very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Mahima madam, you can
Abhinandan.
Mahima, you can end the meeting.
Yes.
Mahima host, you can end the meeting, please.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
All right, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Mahima ji.
Thank you, Mahima. Thank you,
Meet on the 31st and 2nd.
Yes, thank you, sir.